Artoonza.
Glitter, sun, house, grass, and tree drawing. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, we're not building a real house. Just a super cute house drawing from shapes that even your dog could approve of. We'll turn a bottle cap into the brightest sun drawing from bottle cap. Because why not? Add some glitter grass and trees, and boom, you've got the sparkliest, easy drawing for kids masterpiece ever.
So cute.
So grab your crayons, your glitter, and maybe your sassiest smile. Because this house drawing from shapes is about to be silly, shiny, and totally sweet. Give us your like. Glitter sneezed. Call the tiny naughty vacuum. He lives for drama. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom, nom, nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Brown nail polish for the tree trunk because trees deserve a manicure too. Work it, fashion tree. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. This is so amazing. Boop, boop, drip, drip, red roof incoming. This house is basically getting a spicy salsa hat. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. Blue glitter window, so shiny, even the neighbors will need sunglasses. Hello, Sparkle Vision.
Aw, so cute.
Orange drops for the chimney and door because our house clearly shops at the pumpkin store. Color injections, one tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. Smash that like button now. Don't be shy, color high. This is so amazing. Yellow explosion! Now the sun and house are glowing like they just won the glitter lottery. Color, color, color. Rectangle home, triangle hat. Our house is dressed and feeling fancy. Ding dong, cuteness at the door. We've got a glitter sun, a happy house, grass that's greener than cartoons, and a tree that waves hello. This house drawing is pure cuteness overload. Color, color, color. Green glitter grass and tree, so sparkly even the lawnmower would say, wow. Give us your like. We made a sunny, cozy street.
Aw,
Trees waving, house smiling. Save a room for your dreams. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.